Hello, hello. Hello, hello. It's just me and Knox here, so I thought I would do another video. I brought my collection of makeup brushes and stuff that I have to reach all the way back here for because clearly I'm not good enough at this now to know the difference. I just laugh at me sometimes. So I've already put my foundation on. I had laser, so that's a new thing with me. I had a YAG laser, and this was my second session, and so my skin is kind of in this weird space where it's trying to heal and fun stuff like that. So I really like it though so far. I feel like it is good for tightening and toning, and it's supposed to get rid of like sun damage and help with wrinkles and all that fun stuff. So I like it so far. So anyways, I went ahead and put my foundation on. I used the Airbrush Dior in the shade 301. Literally just caught my hair in the camera. And I didn't stop, I just kept going. So a chunk of my hair is in the light there, so it's starting off really great, you know, like my other videos. Knox. He says, Mommy, you know whenever I'm typing, don't you? Oh no, when I'm typing. Oh, he's such a good baby. Okay, so I'm going to try to finish my makeup, and I put my camera up higher, so I'm going to check it real quick to make sure that I'm not taping like up here, and so I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to dig right into where we go from here after the foundation. I'm using a sample or a trial size of this Hourglass Radiant Bronze Light, and I'm loving it with my Zoeva Luxe Grand Powder Brush. Sorry, it has product on it. I don't clean my brushes as much as I should, so I just wiggle this around and I put it right on the bone, and I mix it in up toward my hairline, and then I just put like some on my forehead. Since I have a short forehead, I don't really go all the way across. I like for it to be defined up here because I feel like my face is so round, so I like to kind of give it a little bit of structure. So then I'm going to do the same on the other side. I feel like I can do this with my eyes closed. I've not mastered the art of like showing you at every good angle, you know. So I go under my jawline to define that, and sometimes I just take a little bit and I go, you want to play ball now, huh? You gotta stop, I'm videoing, it's so important. It's so important. You can't eat Mommy's brushes, no, no. I know. Shh. Shh. Okay, he doesn't like them. I mean, Nudgy. Sit. Watch Mommy. You're my audience. Come on now. You're the audience. Hush. Okay, I'm gonna take the Hourglass Dim Light, Incandescent Light, Radiant Light. It's a just light, just like the light that I put my hair in. And I'm gonna take the brush that Knox just ate, and I just swirl it around in all three, and I'll go over my entire face. Yes, I just had bronzer on this brush, but I like the way it looks when I mix everything together. And I feel like I got most of the bronzer off whenever I went in. So this is just a phenomenon, actually. It gives your face all these different lights, but it's just like a buffering effect where it just makes everything look creamy and just put together. So I can't really, if I swatch it, you're not going to be able to see really a whole lot of difference, but on your face it is like the perfect situation. So then this is a splurge that I got myself, just, I don't know, I think it was for my birthday, or it may have just been because I felt like I deserved it. So bad, but this is a La Mer foundation. No, it's not the foundation brush, it's the powder brush. So a lot of times I just go over my entire face again with this brush just to buff out anything that might be an imperfection. I think he's gonna go to sleep now. Okay, and then I love this blush by Tarte. This is called Partay. It has like 3 A's in it, so Partay. And it might help if you could see the color. It's like this beautiful pink. It's just so pretty. So I like to just put it, I like to blend it further back. I don't like to put it right on, like toward my nose or anything. So I think that this is really pretty blush, and it's subtle, and I like subtle in some things, and blush is one of them. I've never been like a bright blush girl. I love like the nudes and the peaches. Okay, so I'm gonna take Painterly. I pick some up with my fingernail, then I rub it in with my fingers, and I got this in an Ipsy bag, and I love this so much. It's called Style, I don't know what that other word is, Style London. And it's called Eaton Square Eyeshadow Palette, and it is so pretty. Look at these colors. I think these colors are so pretty. But I've never used like half of these because I don't usually use a lot of pink colors. So I'm going to try that out. And I love to take this brush, the mystery brush that has no writing on it, but you guys know that I talk about it a lot. It's by MAC, I know that, and it's densely packed brush. And I'm going to go in with a, you know, I don't think these have names on them. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to take this bottom middle color right here and put it, I know, I'm going to put it on my lid. These are so easily blendable, and that's what I love about this palette. It's just like a hidden gem. I didn't think I would like it, and I started using the glitter shades in it and loved it. So I just lay it down on the lid, and then let's see, I'm gonna take this brown camel-y color right here, and I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M441. I do not have a code because I'm not important enough. That sounds sad, but I'm not sad. Okay, and then I'm gonna take it and go around my eye, and I'm just gonna go around, I'm gonna get in the socket and out. You like the sound effects because I feel like I'm pretty good. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. Okay. Then I'm going to take this shade right here. Don't look at my fingernails. I'm scared. Okay, and I'm going to go under my eye with this same Morphe brush. MAC brush, not Morphe, sorry, MAC. I know you're watching out there. Look how pretty. It's just got like this little shimmery, glittery. I'm gonna put more. And you can even blend it up. And then I'm going to take this color in the middle and just do way up here. Well, that has pigment that I was not expecting. I was expecting it to be way lighter, but we're gonna go with it. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to take my little, this is a Luxie 245 small shader. I'm gonna take this very light color and go ahead and highlight under my brow bone. I take it in the inner corner and a little bit like right here. So I'm going to take this on my finger and go in the middle of my eye. And then over here in the corner, I'm going to take the red color. See that? It looks like it's bronze. But on my eyelid, it looks like a pinky bronze. It's so pretty. I kind of want to go under my eyes with that again. Okay, and then I'm going to take this red color. This is so pretty. I'm loving the red metal colors. And I'm going to go in the outer corner. Like, you really don't have to blend a whole lot with these, which is awesome to me. And then this goes on my pants. Okay, and then sometimes when I go crazy on the eyeshadow, I just kind of go in and with a different brush, I blend everything out, smooth everything out. And I go out just the way that I want it to be organized on my eye. So I like go in and out and around. I really like this look. I have this Hourglass Reflect Glitter eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go over the top of my eye with this to just kind of give it a little bit of extra pop. You can never have too many extra pops or surprises with makeup. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take some out with my fingernail. And it's gonna look like this. And I'm gonna lay it down on my eyelid. Look at this. And then the other eye, a little eyeliner on, and the Taffy Tantrum from Wet n Wild. And then I put How Many Carats Fenty highlighter. This is the most beautiful glass-like glowy highlight that I'm using it more than anything that I've ever used. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.